Newcastle is a city with a lot of opportunities. It's a vibrant city. It's very student friendly. So one of the best things I do is catch up on football games. You go to the St. James Park, watch a lot of games, and also it's got a very good nightlife. Apart from like your day-to-day schedule, going out, taking a night off with your friends, I think that's one good thing. Also, they've got a lot of bridges and a lot of places to explore. So I keep going around places. I'm an avid traveler, so that has been one of my favorite hobbies in Newcastle.
Newcastle is relatively affordable because it's easy to get things, and the good thing about Newcastle is not only the local food you can get, you can also get foods from Nigeria and it's quite not so expensive, and the rest, and the housing is wonderful and also very cheap too. The people of Newcastle, they're very friendly, very nice, and very willing to help and assist.
Everyone was so friendly, and I ended up making quite good friends with quite a few people.
I think I met somebody from pretty much every country in Europe within an hour. So it was absolutely amazing for that.
You have a good international community that enriches your experience, and you already have experience of interacting with different people and understanding how it works with them. If we had any Indian festivals, we went out together. All the course mates I had were really helpful.
The art galleries, and it's quite easy to just find them around the city and enter at any time because they're free. And yeah, the exhibitions, they change quite a lot, so there's always something to do. And there are also quite a lot of places around Lisbon where you can just go and relax and have some alternative events with people that are interested in the same field as you.
Now, free time, I like to go shopping. There's a Northumbria Street at the city center where you can go shop for whatever you like. And also, our school has a really nice big pool, and I go there to swim because I used to be on the swim team. And I also like to go to the quayside before a walk whenever I feel really stressed out about my course.
There's a lot of cafe and bar located there, and you can have a very chill afternoon to just relax yourself.
As an international student, I really like the fact that I'm going to Newcastle United games as well in the Premier League, and I've been going to the games, buying tickets from the student union.
Steph Curry! Oh! This is the Sports Central, and we're about to win, and it's going to be a goal.